Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll explain how to use Gemini Omni video AI creation tool effectively and very easy. So in the Google itself, I just searched as Gemini Omni, and this is the link you need to browse through labs.google.com, right? Maybe this is in the still beta testing phase. That's the reason this tool is still in labs. So I just opened this website, which is a Google Flow actually. In Google Flow, this Gemini Omni is the AI video creation tool. So we need to just read their privacy policy, terms and conditions. If you're okay, you can just click on continue. And here in the home screen of Google Flow, you'll see new project. Click on new project. Here is where you can get the AI tool called Google Omni pricing update plus Omni frames to video. So these are the details because this is a paid tool. Okay, this is a paid tool. That's the reason they're mentioning some details. Anyway, we'll have some few credits to test it for free initially. So that is what I'm going to show you, how you can create video with this Gemini Omni tool. By the end of the video, you'll get to know. And this is the interface, all the images, videos, and characters, whatever the content, you will have it here. Even you can upload the media from your computer itself. At the bottom, you can see something like upload media. If you click on that, it will open your computer file manager where you can upload your own pictures. Okay, notice, make sure you have the necessary rights to the picture or video what you upload or what you use here, other than what you generate through AI. If you upload something from your computer, that should be original and yours. Okay, now I'll give a prompt for initially to create an image. From that image, we'll generate one video. I'm giving a prompt like I want a running cheetah in the deep forest. Let us check how it will give. Okay, later I'll change the prompt and I'll make it into a video. Then I'll create another video and I'll club these two clips into a single longer video. This is how the video generation process is. Simple, useful, and very easy. Okay, two variations it has given. So I like this very much. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, you can crop it, you can edit it, even further. After the generation also by the AI, you can still edit with these tools. And I'm adding a one more prompt to slightly uh, have changes like rainy effect scene. So now add a drizzle rain effect to this picture so that slightly the image changes. Now I'll show you the options to animate into a video. Okay, let it create the picture with the second changes or the second prompt what I have asked here. So this is the output. Very good. Now what I'll do is I'll click on the three dots in the image and I'll click on animate to make it into a video. So I'll be clicking on animate and again the prompt appeared here at the bottom. So what I'll do is I'll just give the prompt like create a endless running video, running cheetah video from this picture. So let us wait how it creates. And video duration 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds, maximum 10 seconds. So you need to remember for one video clip, you can create 10-second video. Likewise, for another scene, you can again create 10-second video and you can club it into one video. But see here, with the free trial, you cannot create more clips, 10 seconds of clips. All the pricing and credit details are given in the next tab. You can, if you want, you can check there. Okay, the video has been created. Let us play this. Excellent, really with you, very good quality. It gave two variations actually. You can pick one which you like. Okay, this is 4-second video. Yeah, very good. You can again add a prompt to modify this video, just as I did for the image. You can do it for the video also. So add another cheetah, just like a running competition scene. Means I'm assuming another video clip. I want 10 seconds. Like here now in this video, a video clip, there should be two cheetahs which should run parallelly as a running competition. Let us check how it gives. for credits and everything, you can check this link. Okay, you can get more details here, that how you can buy, how you can manage these credits, and everything is given here. So yeah, Google Flow and Google Gemini Omni pricing details. Okay, let us get back to this here. I don't have any credits because I didn't purchase anything, and or this is not an upgrade plan. This is the free version only, what I'm showing you. And the video is being generated here, 35% completed, X, this is completed. So the scene has completely changed because I didn't give the exact prompt to do it in the same scene. So it has given a new scene. Anyway, this is fine. And this has also voiceover and music added. Maybe you cannot hear this because my video recording didn't record the sound. You can download it actually to your computer. So I just did the download at the right top corner download symbol. When I download it, when I play it with my media player, yeah, this is how the scene looks. This is a 10-second clip. Okay. Now I have two videos with me. Okay. One is this one. When I click on the videos at the left side, I have two videos. Okay. One image, two images and two videos. Now what I'll do is, with the scenes option, I'll combine these two into a single video, and you can publish this to YouTube also. Okay, there are various tools available here at the left side. In this only interface, you can use all of them even more to make your video look professional and good. You can create the characters also. Now, as I told you, I'll be making this to add to scene. Click on the three dots and click on add to scene and click on create a new scene, so that you will get an editor sort of thing, just like DaVinci Resolve or Microsoft Clipchamp. Click here, you added this video to your scene successfully. Switch to scene builder. This is the scene builder. Here, the scene which you added will be added here, and there is a chance like you can add more number of scenes to the existing clip. See here, this is a 10 seconds clip, right? At the end of this video clip, you have this plus symbol and click on add a clip. Here you can add few more clips so that you can make into a single video. The number of scenes what you created earlier will make into a longer video. Thus, you can get a professional movie sort of scenes. And here even you can give the prompts like, I'll ask what, add video cinematic effects to this clip, the second clip. Okay, add video cinematic editing effects between these two scenes. Let us check how it will be. Anyway, I want some credits, I guess. Not enough Google Flow credits I have. Okay, even though it is creating, let us wait for few seconds and we'll check how it is going to give for the basic prompt what I have asked for to add the cinematic effects. So 18%, 20%. Okay, just if you like this video is informative, I request you to hit a like and share it to your friends and family, so that it would be a great help for me. Okay, if you feel this is informative only. Okay, let us play this. And one more thing, you can download this entire video clip, means these two video clips, into a single video. As I'm generating here, this is the editing with the just a simple prompt. It depends upon the prompt which you give. Okay, that will be totally depends upon your prompting skills to the AI. Just with the basic prompt only, it gave such a good cinematic editing. So let us download this. At the right top corner, you'll see this download symbol. Okay, something went wrong. Is it due to the low credits or no credits? Maybe I can refresh this web page once. I'll refresh this. Maybe now I'll try to download this entire video clip. Maybe 15-second video clip, I guess. So I'll be clicking on this download. Yeah, this time there is no error. It is successfully getting downloaded to my computer. Let us check how it will be. Yeah, I'll try to play this. Very good. If you like this video, please do hit a like. If you do have any other question, just ask in the comments.